more normal-sized crustaceans that we collected down there. I don't know if this looks all that impressive to you. We were just delighted when we collected this material, just because it represented so much possibility. We had all this life, these different crustaceans to process, lots of seawater for the kinds of molecular analyses that are important today, lots of material for chemistry of the seawater and the sediment. So we were just thrilled. This is just a short video. Another location. This is the National Monument, and this is a lander now. This is Kevin's instrument, and we're just filming the lander coming down. You see it crash down the seafloor, kicking up all that dust, fuel and particles moving around. Fascinating landscape. We had no idea that there would be so much to see there. Really interesting rock formations. After the dust settled, you see a few crustaceans swimming about. But we're on this very steep slope with all these rocks, and a colleague of ours from the Jet Propulsion Lab was really excited about what we were seeing. One of the ideas that's floating around now for prebiotic chemistry associated with life is that certain kinds of rocks, as they go down deep, they result in the formation of chemicals that can be used by certain kinds of microorganisms, hydrogen gas and methane gas and CO2. And anyways, all the chemistry is there, so the people who are interested in prebiotic conditions for life get excited. And this seems to be the sort of condition that we're seeing here. So these are just some close-up images. Well, first just some panoramic images as the lander goes down. It's moving around just from the impact of striking the seafloor, and we can see some rock formations there. And didn't mean anything to me as a microbiologist, but to the geologists, they were really interested in bluish rocks. The blue rocks were going to be really exciting to them, and we had those in spades. Those are serpentines, and those are the kinds of rocks that generate these kinds of gases that are really important for the growth of microbes that may have ancient forms of metabolism. And so it was just really thrilling. And then as he got these close-up images, we found what looked like microbial mats there. So really interesting. How thrilling would it be to be able to go back and collect some more samples? We're doing genome studies on this kind of material that we collected, so we'll see what's there. We're isolating the microbes and determining all their genome sequences. Again, maybe that'll tell us something about early kinds of metabolism. But boy, we would love to have the opportunity to go back there. In the shallower water environments, a lot of things were collected. I won't go through all of that. This happens to be an isopod that we got a macro photo of, but variety of fish and invertebrates. Going up along the New Britain Trench, there were some beautiful stalked sea anemones that we're seeing. It was a pretty striking environment, more productive in the New